On the 1st of May, Expo Milano 2015 opened its doors to the up to 20 million people the Italian government expect to visit the World Fair over a 6-month period. Prime Minister Matteo Renzi said 10 million tickets had already been sold days before the inauguration of the gastronomy-themed Universal Exhibition, and beside tourists, organizers expect Expo to inject fresh investments and confidence into the country. It is estimated that the fair will generate €10 million return for the country in terms of GDP. Milan was selected as host city after coming forward with the nutrition-based central theme, Feeding the Planet, Energy for Life. Some 145 countries and a few international organizations and NGOs are to take part in the event, which will take place in a 1.1 million square meter exhibition area. Despite the seemingly honorable cause, Milan's Expo didn't go down well with everyone. Demonstrators from the No Expo movement, drawing from anti-globalization and leftist protest groups, have vowed to disrupt the festive atmosphere surrounding the opening with 4 days of rallies across Milan. The building of the exhibition site has also been disrupted by corruption investigations that have resulted in construction delays, with workers scrambling to finish off the various pavilions over the past few weeks. Organizers maintain most pavilions will be ready for the grand opening.